Have you ever wondered how many different melodies you can create from just a few simple building blocks? Imagine you're writing a song and the main hook has 3 syllables, just like the words I love you or yesterday. Now, let's say you have only 3 musical notes you're allowed to use. How many unique 3-note tunes could you possibly come up with? It might seem simple, but the answer is surprisingly large, and it reveals the beautiful mathematics hidden within music. Let's break it down visually. On the screen, we have 3 empty boxes, 1 for each syllable of our word. Above them, you see our creative constraint, 3 syllables, 3 notes. Now, let's focus on the first box for our first syllable. We have 3 distinct notes to choose from. Let's call them Note A, Note B, and Note C. Any one of these 3 notes can be placed into that first box. So, for the very first syllable, we already have 3 different possibilities. Simple enough, right? But this is where the magic of combinations or permutations truly begins to unfold and multiply. Now, let's consider the second syllable. For each of the 3 choices we had for the first note, we again have the same 3 options for the second. If we started with Note A, the second note could be A, B, or C. If we started with Note B, the second note could also be A, B, or C. The same goes if we started with Note C. As we draw lines from the first box to the second, a tree of possibilities starts to branch out. We went from 3 starting points to 9 different 2-note combinations. When we move to the third and final syllable, this pattern repeats and expands once more. Each of those 9 combinations now branches out into 3 more possibilities, creating a complex web from our simple rules. This leads us to the grand reveal. For the first syllable, we had 3 choices. For the second, we had 3 more choices. And for the third, another 3. The total number of unique melodies isn't found by adding them up, but by multiplying them together. 3 times 3 times 3 equals 27. From just 3 notes and a 3-syllable phrase, you can create 27 distinct musical statements. On the screen, you can now see all 27 of them, a grid of musical potential. So the next time you hear a simple pop song, remember the vast universe of possibilities that existed before the composer chose just one perfect melody.